In this RoutBot CNC application video, we will see how to monitor the CPU loading. RoutBot CNC is a real-time software. The CNC controller is running in real time on a dedicated PC. The graphical user interface is running under Windows. Now, one of the main advantages of RoutBot CNC is that the graphical user interface software requires very little CPU loading. In this way, you can run on the same computer your CNC graphical user interface controller software, your CAD/CAM package, your email, your word processor, your Internet Explorer, so on and so forth, because of the fact that RoutBot CNC graphical user interface requires very little CPU loading. Right now, we have RoutBot CNC running and executing a G-code file. It is a small house that it is currently being machined by RoutBot CNC, and we can see the motion being executed and the G-code is running at full speed. Now, we want to have an idea of how much RoutBot CNC graphical user interface is loading this Windows 8 laptop that we have installed on. To do that, we need to go to the Task Manager. We go to the Task Manager and we open the Task Manager. In the Task Manager, we can see all the applications that are running. We have a CAD/CAM package running. We have many other applications and many other background processes running on this laptop computer. And RoutBot CNC is one of these applications. Now, we're going to click on RoutBot CNC and we can see how much CPU loading RoutBot CNC is taking from this laptop computer. As we can see, RoutBot CNC, when RoutBot CNC is running and actually executing a G-code file and fully functioning, is only taking 0.4 to 1% of the overall CPU loading. This is why RoutBot CNC is a really advantageous program when you want to do some serious work, because you can run your CNC controller on the same good computer that you have installed, for example, your CAD/CAM packages. We have also installed our CAD/CAM packages, RoutCAD Deluxe, on the same laptop. And now you can always do all your work on the same computer because RoutBot CNC requires really very little CPU loading. What is doing most of the work is the dedicated CNC controller computer that is running the real-time code. So basically, in this way, we can use any other PC which has a parallel port to be a CNC controller. Even an old PC that, as long as it is in good working condition, can be a CNC controller. We boot it with the boot CD or the floppy boot drive, and we connect with our connection cable to it. And here we go. And all the work is done by the CNC controller as far as the motion control. And then everything else that we need to interface is in that nice, user-friendly graphical user interface that we connect to the CNC controller.